So I've noticed that this little paperclip supports that prevent the landing gear from folding over, because that's the nose of the plane right there, and that's the wing. When it comes in for a landing, it likes to compress the landing gear down, and that will fold these little paperclip supports that I made. And as you can see, they're already breaking loose. So I'm thinking of flipping the orientation of this around. So this pointy V will be up in the front, and that'll also mean that these supports will be in tension instead of in compression, which hopefully should allow this landing gear to survive a little bit longer. So I'm just going to do that modification right now. I have my reinforced landing gear. It's much, much stronger, and I'm gonna give it a little takeoff. Check the control surfaces. It looks all good. There we go. The modified landing gear did work.